Place is crazy, dude. Trying to give you a 9/11 surge to come down here to Hoover
How come
Dam.
the bridge is bigger than the dam? That's weird.
My worst fear is heights.
Caution or stop? Just keep going. Watch it come down on me. It's coming down on me.
Where was it?
Parking $10. Feds are out heavy today. People would argue that they're doing their jobs, but let's keep it non-political, I guess. Even though I got my F the Feds shirt on right now, walking around. Yeah. We used to be able to come almost all the way up to the dam too before 9/11. I think you could come all the way up to the dam. Now they got it all lamed off. That's what they do when somebody else does something bad around the world. They punish the public. Hilarious. Had to come up with a new term instead of thick as thieves, thick as feds. Lake Mead. hope y'all enjoyed this Memorial Day footage I got for y'all. I think it was some pretty good stuff. Vehicles down there. I don't know if you can see them from right here, but hopefully got it